Finally, let me share the process how you can use Meet 2 for live streaming, and also I'm sharing its live streaming settings. Open the OBS Studio software for live streaming, and you can also find the download link in the video description. Use these settings as I am showing in this video. Meet 2 is designed to work seamlessly with the OBS Studio, allowing you to utilize its 4K quality and advanced AI features for your live streams. These are the YouTube live streaming settings as live streaming is working smoothly. I am using 1080p resolution for streaming, but you can select 4K video resolution as well, and here is the streaming result. Meet 2 does not have a dedicated physical 3.5 mm audio jack to connect a wireless microphone directly to the webcam itself. But you can connect the wireless microphone to the 3.5 mm audio jack on your laptop, as you can see in this video. Once you connect the 3.5 mm audio jack to the laptop, switch on the wireless microphone and then switch on the transmitter of your microphone. From this microphone setting, you can select the external microphone option from the OBSBOT Center app, and here is the audio result. This is a testing sound of wireless microphone. I'm using wireless microphone with the Meet 2. I hope you are listening clear sound. This is the testing sound with the wireless microphone. I'm using Meet 2. Now I want to show you different audio result using noise cancellation on and off, and also using wireless microphone with the Meet 2. Hello, 1, 2, 3, testing. This is the testing sound of Meet 2 with the strong noise cancellation. I hope you're listening clear sound. This is the noise reduction with the strong option. Hello, 1, 2, 3, testing. This is a testing sound of Meet 2 with the noise reduction off. I hope you're listening clear sound. This is a testing sound of wireless microphone. I'm using wireless microphone with the Meet 2. I hope you are listening clear sound. This is the testing sound with the wireless microphone. I'm using Meet 2.